Imagine you're planning a dream vacation to Bali. You've booked your flights, accommodation, and activities. But what about your finances? How can you ensure you have easy access to your money while abroad without incurring hefty fees? That's where the YouTrip card comes in. But how long does it actually take to get one? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the YouTrip card application process. We'll cover everything from the initial sign-up to the moment you're holding your card in your hand. So, if you're ready to simplify your travel finances, let's get started. Section 1. The application process. The first step is to download the YouTrip app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, you'll need to create an account. This process is pretty straightforward and involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and mobile number. After verifying your account, you'll be prompted to submit your identification documents. YouTrip accepts a variety of identification documents, including your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure you have high-quality scans or photos of your documents ready. Once you've uploaded your documents, you'll need to complete a short identity verification process. This may involve taking a selfie or answering a few security questions. Section 2. Card approval and delivery. After you've submitted your application and verification documents, YouTrip will review your information. Depending on the volume of applications and the completeness of your documents, this process can take a few days. Once your application is approved, YouTrip will start processing your card. The card production and delivery time can vary depending on your location, but it typically takes around 5 to 7 business days. Section 3. Activation and first use. When your card arrives, you'll need to activate it within the YouTrip app. This is a simple process that usually involves entering a PIN code. Once your card is activated, you can start using it for your travel expenses. YouTrip offers a variety of features, including multi-currency wallets, contactless payments, and real-time exchange rates. Section 4. Factors affecting approval and delivery time. While the typical approval and delivery time for a YouTrip card is around 5 to 7 business days, there are a few factors that can influence this timeline. These include document completeness and quality. Ensure that your identification documents are clear, legible, and valid. Verification process. The identity verification process may take some time, especially if there are any issues with your documents or if additional verification is required. Card production and delivery. The time it takes for your card to be produced and delivered can vary depending on your location and shipping methods. So, how fast can you get a YouTrip card? While the exact timeline may vary, you can generally expect to receive your card within 5 to 7 business days of submitting your application. With YouTrip, you can simplify your travel finances and enjoy hassle-free transactions abroad. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.